Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove and install new main brush on your XIAOMI Vacuum-Mop Robot Lite 2nd generation. To do that you need to flip the vacuum to see the back side, like that. And now you need to push those two latches simultaneously, like that. Open this plastic cover and you can remove the brush. You need to buy a new brush and just place it like that and close the plastic cover, and that's all. This is how you install a new brush on your XIAOMI Vacuum-Mop Robot 2nd generation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.